Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're short on space or always on the go, a portable washing machine can be a total game changer. Whether you're living in a small apartment, RV, dorm room, or just want a more convenient way to do your laundry, we've got you covered. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best portable washing machines that combine power, portability, and performance. We've done the research so you don't have to. Each of these machines is highly rated and packed with features you'll love. And don't worry, all the product links are down in the description below, so you can check them out and grab the one that suits you best. Let's dive in. Top 5 best portable washing machines. 5. Euhomy WS-01. The Euhomy portable washing machine is a compact, high-performance appliance designed to make laundry more convenient for apartment dwellers and small households. Weighing just 39.6 pounds and measuring 18.3 inches by 18.5 inch by 30.7 inches, it can handle up to 20 shirts or 4 jackets per load. Its built-in handles make transportation easy, while the rust-resistant stainless steel inner drum and removable lint filter ensure durability and clean results. With 10 versatile wash programs and a simple control panel, users can customize their wash cycles, including options like soak and wash, rinse and spin, and air dry. 5 selectable water levels, ranging from 17 liter to 37 liter, offer flexibility, and the transparent lid lets you monitor each cycle with ease. Safety and stability are also prioritized, with features like a child lock and adjustable non-slip feet. Euhomy is dedicated to simplifying your laundry routine and enhancing your daily comfort, backed by reliable customer support. Top 4. Nictemaw Washer 73GR New. This compact yet super large capacity washing machine offers a generous 20 pounds load space and is equipped with turbo wash technology for a quick, powerful clean. Its 2-in-1 design, combining a washer and spin dryer in one unit, is perfect for small spaces like dorms, RVs, and apartments, while side handles make it easy to move. With a fully automatic system, smart control panel, and one-touch operation, it includes 10 wash modes, 8 water levels, a 24-hour delay, child lock, and tub clean function, providing convenience and versatility for every laundry need. A high-performance 480-watt motor ensures excellent wash and spin-dry results, removing up to 95% of water and saving up to 85% in energy use, compared to similar models. Easy water inlet connection, a built-in drain pump, and long drain pipe allow flexible setup and worry-free drainage. Additional user-friendly features like the self-cleaning tub, honeycomb stainless steel inner tank, and automatic unbalance detection ensure a safe, efficient, and fabric-friendly laundry experience. Top 3. Giantex Twin Tub. This portable mini-compact twin tub washing machine is designed for easy operation and convenience, saving you trips to the laundromat and the hassle of hand-washing clothes. With a generous 20 pounds total capacity, 12 pounds for washing, and 8 pounds for spinning, it's perfect for handling small to medium loads. Its semi-automatic design allows you to customize wash and spin times, giving you greater control based on fabric types. Featuring 300 watts of wash power and 110 watts of spin power, it delivers strong yet efficient performance, making laundry less of a chore. The compact twin tub design is ideal for home use, with a built-in filter net for quick cleaning and a cover plate to ensure stable spinning. Easy to assemble and lightweight, it's a practical solution for any space. Auertech Portable Washing Machine. The Auertech Large Capacity Twin Tub Washer is a compact yet powerful solution for small living spaces like dorms, apartments, and RVs. Featuring separate washing and spin tubs, it lets you clean and dry clothes simultaneously, saving both time and effort. With an 18-pound washer and 10-pound spin capacity, this mini machine is powered by a robust 1300 RPM motor for quick and efficient performance. The transparent window allows you to monitor each cycle, while its low water consumption supports eco-friendly operation. Equipped with a drain pump and adjustable inlet hose, it offers flexible installation options and hassle-free water drainage. The intuitive control panel includes time settings and water inlets for convenience, plus a built-in lint filter. Overload and overheating protections help maintain balance and extend the machine's lifespan. Note, each unit is factory tested with water to ensure performance. Rest assured, these are brand new products, not used. 1. BLACK+DECKER 0.9 Q feet. Portable washer. The Black+Decker portable washing machine offers a convenient and efficient laundry solution with its compact, user-friendly design. Made of durable plastic and equipped with a rust-resistant stainless steel tub, it supports 5 versatile wash cycles: heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and soak, allowing you to clean a variety of garments right at home. Designed for cold water wash only, this machine includes 3 water level options to accommodate small to medium loads up to 6.6 pounds. Safety features such as auto unbalance detection, auto shutoff, and child lock protection provide added peace of mind. Its portable design, complete with roller wheels and side handles, makes it easy to move and store, ideal for apartments or tight spaces. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best portable washing machines. Whether you're living in a small apartment, traveling in an RV, or just looking for a compact laundry solution, we hope you found the perfect match. If any of these caught your eye, you'll find all the product links conveniently listed in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more helpful reviews like this. See you in the next one.